A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you dear students? Fine. Are you ready for your assessment? पूरा complete हो गया course. You have revised also. Yes. Any doubts? No. Very nice. I got the information that you were telling मैम आप कहीं से भी पूछ सकते हो, मैं हमको तो सब आ रहा है. So I was so glad to read your messages, isn't it? So today we'll go with अंडरस्टैंडिंग अ क्वेश्चन पेपर. सब्जेक्ट इज EVS. हम लोग समझने जा रहे हैं हमारा क्वेश्चन पेपर. सो आर माय स्टूडेंट्स रेडी? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वील गो विद द इंस्ट्रक्शन. First is write in clean, neat and legible handwriting. Students, you are being given sufficient time. आपके पास बहुत सारा टाइम है. ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम है ना, तो आप अच्छी राइटिंग में लिख सकते हैं ना, और आप लिखेंगे. इट शुड बी रीडेबल, है ना. राइट द आंसर्स इन द प्रिंट आउट. आपको अलग से आंसर शीट में नहीं लिखना है, आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में ही लिखना है. यू हैव टू राइट इन द क्वेश्चन पेपर इटसेल्फ एंड यू हैव बीन गिवन अ सफिशिएंट स्पेस ऑल्सो. जैसे आप कर्सिव में लिखते हैं, सो यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस, सो सफिशिएंट प्लेस इज ऑल्सो गिवन टू यू. तो आप उसका प्रिंट आउट निकालेंगे और उसी में ही लिखेंगे. एंड you have to write your details also, name, date as it is print out over here. आप अपना पहले क्या लिखेंगे? अपना नाम लिखेंगे, name of the student, okay, and you will write the date also. Your assessment paper will be of 25 marks. Now students, one more thing, as you know, a photo and PDF of the answer sheet have to be submitted before or by 8 PM on the day of the assessment itself. जिस दिन आपका EVS assessment है, आप उसी दिन शाम को 8 बजे से पहले या 8 बजे तक आप उसका PDF कंसर्न टीचर को सेंड करेंगे. जैसे कि मैं आपको EVS पढ़ाती हूँ, सो यू विल बी सेंडिंग योर फोटो शॉट्स टू अंजलि मैम. ओके students, now we move to the understanding of question paper. As you know, your first question will be tick the correct answer. As usual, MCQ part will be question number 1. A dash eats insects and worms. It's cow, spider, or yes, tell me, it's a home of animal, but I have given you the options and you will take the correct option. Number 2 is a lion lives in a kennel, nest or den. Third one is we fill dash in a cycle tube. It's air, water or food. Fourth one is we need air to breathe, wear or wash. Next is fifth one, the main source of water on the earth is sea, it's ocean or rain. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ टिक करना है करेक्ट आंसर पर. करेक्ट ऑप्शन, you will tick mark only on the correct option. Got it? Yes. Very smart students. Students, now the question number 2 is fill in the blanks with the help of the words given below. Help box will be given to you और उसी help box में से you have to fill in the blanks. Lion and tiger are dash. Second is moving air is called dash. Third is air has no taste or dash. Boiling kills the dash present in water, and the last blank is all dash things need water. So these are the fill in the blanks, and as you know, the help box is given to you. With the help of this help box you will do all the blanks. Got it? Each question will be of 5 marks and the total paper will be of 25 marks. See, enough space is given to you, my dear students. Now we switch on to the question number 3, that is match the following. it's dog, bird, rabbit, cow, snake, and you will match with it their homes. It's nest, barrow, kennel, hole, and the last one is shed. Got it student? आपको मैच करना है कि कौन से एनिमल कहाँ पे रहता है, उसका होम कौन सा है. ठीक है, यू विल बी डूइंग मैचिंग. And the fourth one is write true or false for the given statement. अगर right है तो आप true लिखेंगे, अगर false है तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? False. A lion lives on a tree. Second one is a tiger eats flesh of other animals. Third one is a cow eats grass. Fourth one is air helps in washing. Fifth is air can be used to fill up or to breathe. You have to write true or false. Fill up करने के लिए, कि breathe करने के लिए, कि washing के लिए. So you will be writing true for the true statement and false for the false statement. Okay? आपको पूरा स्पेलिंग लिखना है TRUE. अगर false है तो FALSE false. Okay? Now the fifth will be answer the following questions. You have to write down the answer in the paper itself. One is who are called insect eaters. Who are called insect eaters? Next one is name two things in which air is filled. Name two things in which air is filled. Third one is list any 4 uses of water. Fourth one is what happens when we drink dirty water. What happens when we drink dirty water? And the fifth one is why do birds make nest? Fifth one is why do birds make nest? Okay? So it was all about EVS. Understand your question papers. आपको समझ में आया किस तरह से आपको ये अटेम्प्ट करना है? It was very clear to you, no? Very nice, beta. And I hope you will attempt it very nicely. So all the best for your EVS exam. Do take care of yourself. Bye bye.